Now, most manufacturers or HU companies will suggest doing citric acid or vinegar soaks to descale the electrodes. And hey, that works. It's effective at clearing up those mineral deposits that build up over time. It definitely helps the performance of your bottle, but it does not clear up all the nasties. But here's the kicker. Not all bacteria are taken down by citric acid or vinegar alone. Some bacteria like Acidophilus thrive in acidic environments. It's like how drinking orange juice or lemonade does not kill all the bacteria in your mouth. If that was the case, we could use OJ or lemon juice as mouthwash. So while citric acid or vinegar may help with mineral deposit, it will not tackle everything living in that bottle. Some hydrogen water bottles come with a self-cleaning function designed to disinfect the bottle and reduce mineral buildup. This function works by reversing the polarity at the hydrogen cell, causing the harmful agents generated at the anode to be produced in the drinking water, and the hydrogen gas will be produced in the generator itself. These agents include oxygen, ozone, chlorine, hypochlorous acid, and others. However, there's a catch. These disinfectant agents need to reach specific concentrations to have enough power to effectively kill harmful microorganisms. For instance, hypochlorous acid needs to be at or above 100 ppm, and ozone needs to be at 1 to 3 ppm. Unfortunately, based on our testing of these bottles with regular drinking water or tap water, they only produce a weak disinfecting solution, typically around 10 ppm of hypochlorous acid and only 0.1 to 0.2 ppm of ozone. That is 10 to 30 times less than the concentration needed for a strong disinfectant with a fast contact time. So while the self-cleaning function is a cool idea and may help reduce mineral buildup with frequent use, it is not very effective at disinfecting your bottle with regular drinking water. Adding salt to the water before running a self-cleaning cycle can boost the disinfecting power, but it still won't match the effectiveness of a high-grade disinfectant solution. This is where proper disinfection comes in, especially if you're using your hydrogen water bottle daily. Now, let's not forget your hydrogen cell and your PEM, proton exchange membrane. If you don't clean it properly, it can get biofouled, a fancy term for bacteria buildup on the membrane, impacting hydrogen performance. Like literally, it can form a bacterial layer on top of the membrane, messing with the current. If this was helpful, make sure you check out the full length video where I explain this in more detail. And if you want simple content on molecular hydrogen therapy, make sure you subscribe to H2 Minutes.